Hello everyone, meet my client Rohit, whose transformation is one of the many success stories of Health Aboard's diet and fitness plans. Rohit could not only reduce his 14 kgs of weight in less than 3 months by his strong determination, discipline and consistency, but also he could reduce his blood sugar levels from 150 to 88. When Rohit started my program, his weight was 102 kgs and fasting sugar 150. In less than 3 months, he could reduce more than 12 kgs of his weight and fasting sugar came down to 88.
My name is Rohit Jamni. I am 32 years old. I am a working professional. I would like to share my weight loss journey, my transformation with you. All this started in the month of April 2021 when it was a total lockdown. India was under the second wave of COVID. So my weight was increasing. I was close to 102 kgs and due to some medical reasons, I just got my sugar level tested and it was close to 150 at that point of time. And I'm just talking about the fasting level. So after this 2 to 3 months journey, 2 to 3 months transformation, now my weight is close to 88 kgs and my sugar levels are also down. It's close to 88. I would like to share with you all these happen because of inadequate sleep due to extended hours of work and inappropriate eating habits, missing all the nutritional values from the food, just eating whatever comes to the table, eating it throughout. At that point of time, when my health was under a very bad shape, I googled it a bit to know what exactly is happening. Then I came to know about Monica ma'am, who is a nutritionist and a dietitian. I came to know about her. I got a very good feedback. I had a call with her, and after that I decided to start taking guidance from her regarding what can we do, what we can do to it, and how this can be reduced. Otherwise, I was under the impression that now the sugar level have been increased and I have to start taking pills and for the rest of my life. So as per the guidance received by her, I'm really very thankful to her. She guided me a lot, and actually there were no fancy diets involved in the previous 2 months or the 3 months, which I would say was for the 75 to 80 days journey. It was all home cooked food, which was as per the custom fit requirement for me. And the exercises which I was not able to do earlier, now I'm able to perform it, climbing 2 to 3 floors, running 5 to 6 kilometers in a day, stepping 10,000 steps a day. So I would suggest every one of you to go for it. Just not bear the medical condition, whatever you are in. There is a cure for it. There is a just take one step forward. Consult Dr. Monica, and rest everything will be assured enough. You'll get a better guidance. There will be a total transformation in your lifestyle. All the best.
At the end, I would like to say, behind every successful man, there is a woman. So special thanks to his wife Prabneet, who constantly kept in touch with me and followed all my instructions well. Thank you.